That first one is gross. Hello, welcome back to Mayday in the Kitchen. I'm Mayday, and today you decided what I cook and you picked Colombian empanadas. So if you like to see how this all turns out, then let's get cooking. If you guys like this video, hit that like button down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. Also be sure to check out my Instagram, behind the scenes, daily things of what I'm doing. Right now I am creating a new kitchen and you guys can get little sneak peeks of how that's going. Go check it out if you guys want to see what I'm doing throughout the week and not just here on Wednesdays. Alright, so I needed to go shopping and you guys chose where I was going to shop. Out of the options, Sprouts won. So here are some clips of me at Sprouts, very discreetly filming. My sister came along with me and she filmed as much as she could without trying to get any people in the background. But yeah, enjoy. I don't know where I'm going. Oh, we should just go to veggies first. That's easiest. I honestly don't know. Alright, now that we are back in the kitchen, I am ready to cook. Our first thing that we need to do is create the dough or the masa. I needed 1.5 cups of pre-cooked yellow cornmeal, and I have pre-cooked that and it is right here. And I'm going to add to that 2 cups of water. I need a tablespoon of oil, 1/2 tablespoon of the sazon goya, and I need some salt. Oh my gosh, I'm so annoying. It's totally fine. We're gonna fix this. When I read the ingredients and it said pre-cooked, I thought it meant that it needed to already be cooked. But I think it means before you cook it. So I cooked this cornmeal, but it's not supposed to be cooked. So let me throw this away and we're gonna start over. Sorry about that. Okay, we're gonna try this again. I need 1.5 cups of pre-cooked cornmeal, sazon goya, some salt. Going to mix that together. 1, 2, and a tablespoon. Okay. What the heck? Okay, now I'm really confused. Okay, this isn't gonna work. Oh my. Okay, hello, welcome back to Mayday in the Kitchen. We are going to try this again. I went out and got the right cornmeal that we need. I think we needed a flour type of cornmeal and I got a very coarse cornmeal which would not take to the water as I thought. So let's try this again. Dumping that in, salt. Mix it up, great to go. gonna take my rings off for this. I'm kneading it for 2 minutes, roughly. Ooh, smells like corn tortillas. Okay, I'm just putting it in a bowl. I'm gonna cover it with some plastic and I'm gonna let it sit for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to cook my potatoes. I'm going to put it in a pot of water with a chicken bouillon tablet and let it boil for about 20 minutes. Set a timer for 20 minutes.
And we're starting now.
Now essentially I'm going to cook my filling. The potatoes are part of the filling, but now I'm going to cook like my onions and tomatoes and put my ground beef with it. The recipe called for pork and ground beef. I don't really like pork, so I just did complete ground beef, which I'm sure is fine. You guys can do what you want if you choose to do this recipe. I'm going to move us over to the stove. Come on. A 1/4 cup of white onions. Now I'm adding 1 cup of tomatoes and a 1/4 cup of green onions. 2 tablespoons of red bell pepper and 2 tablespoons of cilantro, salt, some black pepper, and some garlic. Alright, and I'm just going to let it sit for about 15 minutes and let the flavors get to know each other, and then when that's done, I'm going to add in my meat to cook with it. My potatoes are done. I'm going to drain them and mash them and just leave them to the side because now I'm going to put in my meat and cook that. And then when that's done, I'm going to put it all together and that's our stuffing. So let me go drain my mashed potatoes. Alright, here is my meat. Throw that on in. Now it is time to cook it. This Instagram Decides was actually pretty interesting for me. I did it on a Friday and a lot of you guys were at work and I wasn't that day. Woohoo! But it was very close. A lot of the votes were really close and sometimes I don't know when to call it. Like I said I was going to post a poll every hour on the hour. A lot of people weren't voting and so I decided to extend it. I don't know if I should just cut it off and be like, nope, it's been an hour, you're done, these are the votes kind of thing. And then some of them were like all tied, so it's just kind of hard. I wonder what you guys think, if you wouldn't mind commenting. Oh, stop! If you wouldn't mind commenting down below what you guys think I should do about that. Should there be a time limit? Should I give it an hour, 2 hours? Should I don't know. Just let me know your guys' suggestions down below. I would really appreciate it because you guys are running this. You right there watching this are in charge of this and I love it and I love to see what you guys come up with and you think of. So let me know down in the comments below. My meat is done and I am going to mix it in my mashed potatoes. Doesn't look too appetizing in that bowl, but it's fine. Now I need to make my empanada tortillas. Basically, I just need to roll it out, put the filling, and fold it in half. Alright, my dough. Dough. Oh, it's kind of sticky. Just making a ball, and I'm putting it there. Then I'm supposed to put another layer of plastic wrap on top. I roll it out to be a thin circle. Ah, jeez. Okay, one more time. It just seemed like it was going to stick and it wasn't going to work at all. So let's try this one more time. Ball of dough, saran wrap, and I am making it into a flat, thin circle. It's not really a circle, but it'll have to do, right? Then I take a tablespoon of filling and I put it somehow, put it in the middle, and oh my gosh, it's falling apart. This is what I was talking about. Go like that, and then I use a fork to crinkle the ends. Oh, it's coming off on my fork. These are very delicate. Oh my gosh, my fingers are sticking to it so much. Okay, that first one is gross. Let's try a second one. Maybe I don't make it as thin. You have to be very, very, very gentle. That one's good! Yay! Okay, one's good. Let's try this again. Woohoo! Another one. Cue fast motion. Okay, I am going to stop there and I'm going to cook these ones. I need to heat up my oil to 360 and then I'm going to dunk them in for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. Basically until it's golden brown, because I just need to cook the dough. All the inside is cooked. Okay, we are ready. I just want to get a plate and paper towels ready. I'm only going to put in 2 at a time for 1 to 2 minutes. Ooh, yum, they look good. I am not mad at all. Here we go.
Otherwise known as a fourth.
Woo, Lord. Oh my God. Y'all saw that? Oh, that was scary. Oh, fire. My God. Oh, we are done. It is done. Plating, photos, and then tasting. Let's go. Oh, that one's hot. Woo, Lord. Delicious. This is it, the moment of truth. You decided on Colombian empanadas and I am going to taste them right now. They look so good, appetizing. I think I did an amazing job. Thank you for picking this because I have wanted to make empanadas for a while, but my gosh, sometimes it looks daunting because it's just like a lot of work, but it wasn't that much work. So anyways, okay. I'm gonna eat it now. Yes, ma'am. The dough is really good. It has a nice flavor to it. It's like a corn tortilla, but it's like, in a sense, better. So I like it. The meat filling is bomb. Very bomb. And the potatoes, I would have never thought to put chicken bouillon in with potatoes, but they turned out really good. These are so good. Yes, thank you. Thank you for picking this. Thank you for participating in the polls. I can't wait for the next Instagram Decides for you to tell me what I'm cooking next. I hope you guys enjoy doing this type of video where you decide what I cook. And yeah, if you want to see more of it, please hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you can get updated every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. Also, check out my Instagram because that is where you guys get to vote and decide what I cook. So to participate in the next one, go check me out on Instagram and give me a follow, and I'll let you guys know when the next one is. Thank you so much. I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye!